Hello everybody. I was thinking that maybe I was going a little too fast and that we needed to just back up a little bit and just talk about making lines. So here I have my sketchbook and just a basic inexpensive mechanical pencil with a white eraser. So these poly erasers are really good for cleanup, for sure. Let's find a spot on your paper and just talk about making line. Okay. So, when you can write cursive, or you can use capitals. There's lots of different ways you already know about making marks from writing and how you hold the pencil, as you were taught maybe in the first, second, and third grade how to hold a pencil. When you're drawing, you kind of need to throw all that out the window and just see that the pencil is a tool that can be held oftentimes this way. Thinking about how you handle the pencil really is about the mark that's coming off the tip here. So this is graphite, right? So when I barely touch the paper, I'm making a nice light line. And if you were a student in one of my classes, you know that I call those whisper lines. And the nice thing about a whisper line is it's super easy to erase, because we all are going to need to erase and make changes at some point. So that was your whisper line. Okay. So a good little exercise is just to warm up by just making some lines, and maybe you just pull down some straight lines. And so I'm starting here and I'm pulling the line down. I'm actually on this side of my hand is dragging down. So if I want to come straight down, and my eye is following or making a path, like I'm driving down the road. It's going from here, from point A to point B. Now I could go this way too, point A to point B. So practice some of those. And it's a good idea to look at the line and see where you want to go with the line. And of course, you can go diagonal, you can go curvy, and then the way to draw it too is just to practice and see what your tool will give you in the way of lines. And you know that lines don't always have to be straight. They can be crooked and they can be curved. They can be a leading line too, like these dots make a visual line. Your line goes down the path, such as that. And a line can be made with shapes too. So here we are making curvy shapes using a lot of different circles. So just getting to use your pencil in different ways. And also a good idea too is just to learn to move quickly. So if I could say the first thing I'd like you to do today is just grab a piece of paper and draw a bunch of lines and have fun with it. Draw some of those lines dark into your paper, some medium, and some light. So you're playing around with how hard you're handling your material. How does it work when you hold it on the end like this? And how does it work when I hold it really down really close? I can draw dark, medium, and light. So playing around with your materials. Okay, so here I have a art pencil, and I could start playing around with this material too. So with this art pencil, I could play around with it too, making dark, medium, and light, and seeing how this works. And also I have the advantage of a lot of lead showing here, that I can go down and get thicker lines from that, medium and light. And maybe I could do some shading. Maybe I can hold it on the end. You get the idea, right? See what you can come up with. And just line. So today's all about line.